On my way to Las Vegas this morning, I'm going to drive to Lambert. We're going to leave our cars there, take a taxi over to the hangar, fly to Las Vegas. We're going to sit there for 5 hours before our flight leaves, so we'll go over to the Strip and have lunch. Then we're going to come back on Southwest to St. Louis. I'm on my way to Lambert now to drop off my car. We'll just get in our cars and drive home. So I'm going to run into the grocery here, grab a couple of snacks for the airplane that we need, and then head over to Lambert, pick up a taxi. I should have gotten a basket. I'm doing good on time. Off to Lambert now, catch that taxi. Flight gets in about 11 p.m. tonight. That puts me home at about 11:30. Hey man, you going to Las Vegas?
Let's go to Vegas.
Howdy. See that little inlet like there, that NACA scoop? That takes fresh air in there. And there's dead space between the fuel tank and the leading edge hot wing. All this silver area is heated by bleed air heat. And that air going through there keeps it cool, so there's no possibility of the hot air getting to the fuel tank. That's the purge air, that's what they call it. That purge air then exhausts right through here. Out by the wingtip. That little hole there takes a little RCA plug, and when you're refueling, that's a static line that goes into there. Let's take a look at a couple of things back here. See the emergency exit? To open it, you just remove the plastic cover here, put your finger in there and pull it off. And then you have a handle that you pull. And it's a plug, you pull the plug out, toss it out on the wing and go. Okay, back here, stowed, we have what we call the water dam. If we have to ditch the aircraft, this water dam installs into these two plugs here. It snaps in and it slows the amount of water that's coming through that door. It makes a dam in front of the bottom of the door, and it doesn't totally stop the flow of water, but it will reduce the flow of water. We'll start that APU here in about 10 minutes. 3 hours and 9 minutes to Las Vegas.
Right to the 340 up to 15.
340, 15. little doubt where he was back in here coming out.
No, you're plenty good over here.
Okay, we got it tidied up. Closing everything up here, and we're fixing to go.
Her husband flies for Wynn.
Where'd you say we're going? The Cosmopolitan?
Yeah, that's where I've been staying lately.
Okay, yeah.
Cosmo's nice.
Yeah, we're just gonna have some lunch. We got the Consumer Electronics Shot Show, then the Porn Awards. So it's always a good like 2 or 3 weeks.
Oh yeah, man, they come in on the jets and pack the place.
Last weekend was the fight.
Yeah.
So there was no, what they were saying is there was no parking for like general aviation.
Yeah.
They were sending them to the other airports.
Yep, North
Las
Vegas.
I heard that. She's probably calling security right now.
I knew you were filming.
Wait for takeoff. We'll make an announcement. You can bring them out with.